If you can't manage time properly, then you must follow these steps. Step 1. Set clear goals. Decide what you want to get done each day. Write these goals down so you can focus on them. Step 2. Create a to-do list. List all the tasks you need to complete. Arrange them from the most important to the least important. Step 3. Use a calendar. Mark important dates and deadlines. Use an online calendar to set reminders for these dates. Step 4. Break tasks into small steps. Large tasks can be overwhelming. Divide them into smaller, manageable steps to make them easier. Step 5. Set time limits. Give yourself a specific amount of time to complete each task. This will help you stay on track and not spend too much time on one thing. Step 6. Eliminate distractions. Find a quiet place to work and turn off unnecessary notifications on your phone and computer. Step 7. Take regular breaks. Short breaks can help you stay focused and refreshed. Try taking a 5-minute break every hour. Step 8. Learn to say no. Don't take on too much work. It's okay to decline additional tasks if you're already busy. Step 9. Use time management tools. Use planners, timers, and productivity apps to help you organize and keep track of your tasks. Step 10. Review your day. At the end of each day, look back at what you accomplished. Adjust your plan for the next day based on what you did and didn't get done.